Hello, it's Peter from Zzipp Media. Today I'm not in Weymouth. I'm on the way to Poole to visit a place called the Foundry, who are having a podcast studio open day. So I'm going to try to vlog that as much as I can. We are just pulling into a station. I'll tell you what that is shortly. I'm on the train. I haven't been on a train for many years, so it's a bit exciting. We are just coming into Wool Station. Pretty station. Alright, I'll keep you updated. So, I've reached Poole, now in the Dolphin Centre, just having a cup of coffee and something to eat. This time I've come to Starbucks, which I haven't been to in a very long time, to see what's different. Also, I don't know whether you know, but I worked for Wilko's for 17 years and retired in 2022. I just arrived in Poole and found a Wilko store open. So that's nice to see a familiar face. So there is my location for today, Foundry here in the Dolphin Centre in Poole. It's a co-working office space, members lounge, podcast studios and community. That's what the sign says. Let's go and have a look and find somebody to explain exactly what they do in the podcast studio. So here I am at the Foundry podcast studio. Let's go and have a walk in. This is the small studio, Studio 1. That's the mixer is a Rodecaster. Yeah, I thought it was. Yeah. Very nice intimate space this. Let's go into Studio 2, which is a bigger studio. There we are. As you can see, it's much bigger, probably best used for video podcasts, that kind of thing. Let's have a look at the prices. They are here on the table. The Foundry Studio prices: podcast production 60 minutes, production bundle price $150, up to 60 minutes of content edited in Premiere Pro, podcast or audiobook format included. 30-minute production bundle price £100, up to 30 minutes of content edited in Premiere Pro, podcast or audiobook format included. I'll try to find a link to include under this video so you can see the full details of the Foundry here in Poole. I'll try to include this one also somewhere in the graphics. There's another project going on here called Pod School: Launch, Grow and Monetize Your Own Podcast. General admission from £99. So there's a Focusrite red there. I think this is a very nice space. Something like this would be amazing for my community media hub concept. You'll find a link in my YouTube descriptions box down there, or I will try to include a link below this video. So if you want to come along and use this facility here in Poole, click on the link beneath this video and it will take you to the website. I'm looking a bit rough. Days off, that's what it does for you. But yeah, this facility would be excellent for my community media hub idea, where ordinary people can create videos, podcasts, totally for free. All right. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, just hit the subscribe button up here. I think it probably will be, and share, comment, like, totally up to you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now. I couldn't actually find anybody to talk to tell me about the Foundry podcasting suites, but that's the way it goes sometimes.